We all remember the peaceful countryside tales of Beatrix Potter, but today, we're throwing a classic character into the ultimate modern nightmare. Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we are laser engraving an unusual, opposite scenario on a custom wood blank. Jemima Puddle-duck stuck at airport security. I'm running the background lines first, cutting in the massive crowd of travelers and the terminal structure. To keep the commenters happy, let's talk settings. Tracking this design on the LaserPecker required a fine focal depth to prevent the dense lines of the background crowd from blurring into the main focal point at the counter. The contrast on her traditional storybook shawl right next to a modern plastic luggage bin turned out beautifully. The shading gives her that classic retro illustration look, trapped in a high-stress modern world. There she is, safe from the fox, but definitely missing her flight. A hilariously unique coaster project completed. Jump down to the description to try the history quiz, leave your rating, and subscribe. Work safe and see you at the gate.